Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another topic in Facebook ads, and that is bid strategies. As you are all aware of bid strategies which we are using in Google ads, if you have seen my old videos, you will know like what kind of bid strategies we are using in Google ads to generate good result for clients, as we have different type of strategies like Target ROAS, maximize conversion. So these kind of strategies we are using in Google ads, but in the same way we have the option to use this kind of strategies in Facebook ads as well. So in today's video I will let you know what kind of like bidding strategy Facebook ads is providing us and how we can use them to generate a good result for client. So I think now it's time to dive into the video and go to the dashboard so that I can explain you what I'm talking about.
Like using the bid strategy, you just need to create a normal campaign, as we have already created many campaigns in my previous video. So you just need to create a sale campaign, basically a sale manual campaign, as we are creating campaigns for our other websites as well. So you can create the same as well and just click on the continue button. And as you know, you need to use the manual option if you are creating a new campaign, first campaign for your website, because that will give us the more control on the campaign if I compare the same with Advantage++. So once we got results, then we can opt out and go to the Advantage+. So this is the things which we have already discussed in previous video. But yeah, today our topic is what kind of bid strategies Facebook will provide us. So first of all, for using the bid strategies, you need to use the budget at the campaign level. As I know that most of the social media marketer or people who are running campaign for their business are using budget at the ad set level, because that will give us more control and we can use budget on different audience with the help of a same campaign. Like we can differentiate different audiences in different ad set and give them a separate budget if we are using budget at ad set level. But yeah, but for using the bid strategies, you need to use you can say budget on campaign level. So on campaign level, as you can see, there is an option which is given by Facebook ad is Advantage campaign budget. So you just need to on this like option, and after that you will see they'll give us the option of daily budget and campaign bid strategies. This is what we are, this is what our video today. These are the strategy which we can use for our campaign. So let me create, like on the budget level, you just need to, as you can say, add a budget, your per day budget which you want to use for your campaigns, and add the campaign bid strategy. You need to click on the edit button, and as you can see, in after clicking on the edit button, we have four different strategies which we can use for our campaigns. As you just need to get maximum result for your budget. You can also, you can say it, cost per results. If you are aware of Google ads, we have a CPA bid strategy in that, and this is same as this. So this bid strategy is same work with CPA, like cost per result goal. Basically with the help of that, we can like tell Facebook like I need per lead or per you can say conversion or sale in this budget. So I will set with the help of this bid strategies. Okay, and after that, this is ROS. Like if you are aware of Google ads, you know Target ROAS bid strategy which Google provides us. In the same way, you can say Facebook will provide us a ROS goal or strategies. And after that, you can bid cap. We also have a bid cap. Like you can set the highest that you want to bid for any auction, you want to bid for any reach. If you want, if you know, Facebook will, you can say it, Facebook will charge us for 1,000 per impression, 1,000 impression, then they will charge us some dollars. So what you can do is you can set a bid cap, like you want only this budget for charging the you can say it per 1000 impression budget. So these are the 4 goals which you can use for your campaigns and tell Facebook that I need this thing at this level. So these are the strategies which can you use. As you can see, all the strategies are here. But if you need to use cost per result goal, which is mostly used in Facebook ads, so just need to check this option, and after that you just need to go to the ad set level, and at that ad set level you will see the option where you can set your cost per click goal. So this is how we do it. These are the strategies which we can use. And yes, as you know, now this is the bid strategies. These are the bid strategies which we can use for our campaigns, and with the help of that you can maximize your results and get a good ROS. Because sometimes the clients have several queries, the clients have several things that they want the like cost per result in a particular amount, and in that case we are not able to do that without using these kind of bid strategies which Facebook provide us. So I will recommend you, if you have clients and clients are like want some particular things from you, like this cost per result, this kind of ROS they have, so you don't need to worry about that. We have bid strategies in that case, and you can use them for your client campaigns and get results from them in their priorities. Okay, so I think now you will understand what kind of bid strategies we have in the Facebook ads and how we can use them. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly comment on the YouTube video, and we will create another video on your different queries. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye.